Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you don't, I will find out that you didn't do it. And I'm friends with Builder Man, so I'll just have him ban you guys, so just warning you. Okay, I'm in studio now, and let me show you how to set up a locker real quick. So, to set the locker up, you're going to go to the base, you're going to add an attachment. We'll call this the tween in. And to get the position where this should be, we'll need to get a rig. So go to Avatar, Rig Builder, and just click My Avatar. And it'll spawn your rig in. Now just put them in there how you want them. So I'm going to have them just right in the middle here. Just like that. And what you do is you open it up, go to the humanoid root part, and copy the C-frame. Once you have that, you can go back to the tween in attachment. Go to World C-frame and paste that C-frame in there. As you can see, it goes right to his center of his body. Now we can duplicate that, move it to the outside, rotate it 180 degrees, and then we can rename this the tween out. Now add another attachment to base, and then add a proximity prompt to that attachment. And we're going to put that right in front here. This is where you'll click E to open it up. One last thing you have to do, go into here, tags on the locker model itself, and press the plus button. We're going to add one called locker with a capital L. Once you've done that, we can, well, if you don't have the locker controller installed yet, it will be in my Discord server, link in the description. Just go to code releases and find it inside there. You can search for the post. All right, so let me explain how everything works on the script side. So we're going to get collection service and get wherever you have your module at. I have my replicated storage. And then we're going to use a for-i loop to go through everything in collection service tagged as locker. And we're going to get our locker controller and do .new and then put the locker or v or whatever it is into the arguments. Now, if you want to have a nice first-person camera when you're in first person, create a local client script, put a bool value called instant locker in it, and you can go through and copy this code if you want. But basically, this just checks if the value is true, and we set the camera to the head's C-frame and lock it to that. So when you're in first person, you can see that. I also have a little mouse thing where the mouse kind of looks around and it's smooth looking, but you don't have to do this. That's just an option you can do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, the link is in the description for the Discord. Join it. You get all the scripts there. And let me show you how this works. So if I press play here, I can go up to any of these, press E, puts me in it. You could add sounds to this, but I just don't have them yet. If you want sounds and you don't know how to do it, just message me over Discord. I'll tell you how to do it. Then you press space, you can get out. E, space. Pretty cool. And yeah, that's it. See ya. Alright, so we're doing 50 games right now. I mean, 50 games. We're doing 50 games. What's gonna happen? Ow! You're shooting us already. Oh, that was one. Y'all, if you guys don't know, this is on the army because he can't talk right now. Alright, let's see. I have even won once. I can't believe that I still haven't won once. I also never really watched the actual Squid Games, so most I know is like the stuff that's on YouTube. Pretty much. Alright, here we go. We gotta win this.
Red light.
Come on. How'd I get hit? Oh, we made it. It rode me now. Oh, what did I do? I didn't do anything wrong. So does that matter now? What? This guy looks traumatized. Like, what? Oh, the bass, my headphones. They're vibrating in my ears. Don't let me get a hand, you know. Good to the ground, right? Oh, that's rude. Gonna smack me in the back of your MP5. That's not cool, man. Oh, dang. Oh, that's a really big cookie. A really big cookie. Easy. Oh, see, I'm totally winning. Stop it. Oh, he's got them. How much time is there left? 27 seconds. Yeah, he throws yours. Alright, we won. He is bugging. Alright. Oh no, I'm getting attacked. Back up. Oh, I'm on the floor. Oh. Oh, I'm low. I might be the end. Oh, he's coming after me. See, I tell you, this fighting system is atrocious. Oh yeah, I suck at this game. Oh, I suck. Why can't I jump? Oh, I'm gonna, of course, mid-fight, I'm being attacked. Oh no, I'm gonna die. They're all out.